Hi and welcome. I'm Jim Richmeyer with Ideal Aerosmith. I'm going to take a few minutes and give you a virtual tour of the AERO 4000.
We'll look at it from a user's point of view, demonstrating how powerful yet easy to use the AERO 4000 is. The AERO 4000 is a versatile controller. It can be used for electric or hydraulic powered axes, encoders, or inductus and feedback devices, and for up to 6 axes. It can control single or multi-axis inertial test tables, hardware-in-the-loop flight motion simulators, and even has features specific to centrifuge control. The AERO 4000 is built on PC-based components and a Windows operating system, which establishes a well-defined support and upgrade path and a familiar navigation method for users. Users can control remotely over a variety of communication interfaces, including Scramnet or VMIC real-time interfaces for hardware-in-the-loop testing. Unique to the AERO 4000 is the ability to utilize Microsoft.NET, which makes it much easier for users to utilize powerful programming languages like C# or Visual Basic to create a host application. But for this video, we'll focus on local operation via the controller's GUI. The left side is the navigation area, where the user can launch panels. I've already launched the multi-point data display and access control panels, and am now going to open the data analysis panel as well. Panels are opened, minimized, or closed, just like they are in a Windows program. You can easily configure the GUI to between 1 and 6 different values, selecting from close to 100 different outputs ranging from the most common PVAs to the less common like filtered velocity, signal generator outputs, analog inputs, or motor torque. It's very easy to perform simple moves by commanding the desired position, velocity, acceleration, and position path using radar position modes. Axes can be triggered independently or simultaneously. More complicated profiles are accomplished via the profile mode. The motion file control panel allows you to create simple or complex motion profiles and save them on the SSD of the AERO 4000 and execute them either locally or remotely over .NET. Yet another option is the built-in signal generator, which allows you to create and run much more complicated motion profiles. You can select from standards like sinusoidal or sawtooth, and then configure the waveform by controlling amplitude, frequency, phase, offsets, attack, sustain, decay, and more. During an operation, you can easily watch, plot, and later export test data via the integral 4-channel oscilloscope, which makes available approximately 50 values for selection. The I/O panel allows you to quickly monitor the status of important parameters such as motor condition, brakes, shot pins, e-stops, chassis temps, and power supply voltages. Analog I/O options allow for table control via external analog inputs such as a function generator, or to output test data to allow for viewing on an external oscilloscope. Now I'll go through a few other features of the AERO 4000. In addition to the physical e-stop located on some of the tables and all of the controller consoles, the GUI includes an e-stop and a slower decelerating package-safe quick stop. The AERO 4000 includes a lockable and removable solid-state drive, allowing you to remove the hard drive and lock it up to protect sensitive or classified data. An integrated backup manager allows you to back up system files for offline storage. Build date, last cal date, and a revolution counter can be accessed via the details panel. A package editor feature allows you to create unique configurations for performance, tunings, and limit settings for multiple payloads. If you have one or more payloads that you test on a regular basis, you only need to enter the parameters once, and then for future tests, you pull up a save profile and you are ready to run. Lastly, the user privilege level feature provides you with 4 different levels of access, allowing you to control which personnel have access to various features and the ability to change settings. Additionally, you can choose to lock out either the local interface or remote interface options completely. This was a very abbreviated introduction to the AERO 4000. For more information, contact Ideal Aerosmith. Thanks for watching.